And now, we take a look at the game highlights. Denise, in that first quarter, makikita natin itong San Miguel Beer going immediately inside as they try to come back from this early Mahindra lead. Alex Malyari has the ball in his hands, and you saw, Denise, what he can do at the end of the first quarter. Lamang pa nga sila.
Oh yeah, but you know, I think we saw Mahindra, what they can do when they're playing on a faster pace.
Of course, that pace allowing them to get easy shots. But talk about easy shots. That's almost too easy para dito kay Junmar Fajardo. Siya yung naging sekreto doon sa comeback bid nitong San Miguel Beer. Well, not really secret. Everyone knows what he can do. But when he was getting help mula dito kay Chris Ross, kay Marshall Lassiter, doon tumali yung buhay ng San Miguel Beer. Nakatulong din si R.R. Garcia, kaya sila nakalaman.
Definitely. I mean, San Miguel, we all know them. Madami silang bala at hindi sila nauubusan when it comes to their offense.
But how about the help naman na ipinakita ng iba pang players sa Mahindra Floodbusters? Joseph Eriobu, when he was in college, he played a lot of the 4 and the 5 spot para sa Mapua Cardinals, but now showcasing his outside shot. But Junmar saying, hey, I'll take my points the old-fashioned way, scoring inside. This is the 3-point attempt by Joseph Eriobu. Nagmintis lang, rebound, napunta sa San Miguel Beer, and then Arwin Santos icing the game. And Malyari had this shot at the end. Had a clear look, Denise, yung nga lang bounce in and out. And again, we were talking about this ng commercial break. Kung merong 9 of 10 na laro itong Mahindra Floodbusters, so take a look at the final score.